TecQuipment free and forced convection is a bench mounting apparatus including a vertical duct that holds three different common heat transfer surfaces, including a flat plate, a pinned surface and a finned surface. Students can fit these to the vertical duct using simple fixings. Two controls allow students to set different air velocities and heater power for a full range of tests. For free convection tests, the heated air rises from the surface and up the duct. For forced convection tests, a variable speed fan draws air up through the duct and across the surface. Thermocouples measure the air temperature upstream and downstream of the surface and the temperature at the heat transfer surface. An additional handheld probe allows students to measure the temperature distribution along the extended surfaces of the pinned and finned heater transfer surfaces. A digital display shows the heater power, air velocity and the temperatures measured by the thermocouples. The TD1005 can be used with TecQuipment's versatile data acquisition system. Simple and safe to use, TecQuipment's TD1005 provides a wide range of investigations into free and forced convection.